guys, welcome back to my channel and those who are new, welcome to my channel. जो लोग मेरे चैनल में नए आए हैं प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर देना मेरे चैनल को और सब्सक्राइब बटन के पास जो बेल बटन है उसको भी दबा देना। और एक चीज मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ कि अगर मुझसे कोई सवाल पूछना है तो आप लोग मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। मैं लिंक डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में और वहां पे आप लोग मुझे डीएम कर सकते हैं और आपका सवाल जो भी है आप पूछ सकते हैं। मुझे जितना पता होगा मैं आप लोगों को जवाब देने की जरूर कोशिश करूंगी। तो गाइज आज मैं लेकर आ गई हूँ फिट मी सीरीज 1 एपिसोड 2 और आज मैं प्रेजेंट करने जा रही हूँ योगा फॉर वेट लॉस। पिछले दिन मैंने शेयर किया था HIIT वर्कआउट, तो आज मैं शेयर करूंगी योगा वर्कआउट। मैं इसी तरह से रूटीन माफिक आप लोगों के साथ वर्कआउट शेयर करती रहूंगी, जैसे कि मैंने वादा किया था एक सीरीज की तरह शेयर करते रहूंगी। तो गाइज ज्यादा बात किए बिना चलो लेट्स गो। Before starting the main workout, we have to make our body and mind calm and quiet respectively. Just do deep inhale and exhale and then inhale deeply and exhale like Om and do it at least 3 times. Make pranam mudra and gently rub your palm, generate heat. And gently stroke on your face, eyes and whole mouth as well. So at first we will start our main workout with Surya Namaskar. Stand in Tadasana at the edge of your mat. Adopt Namaskar Mudra in front of the chest. As you breathe in, lift both arms up and bend backward. Breathe out, bend forward and the waist, keeping spine straight. Breathing in, take the right leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. Then breathing out, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line and keep the arms perpendicular to the floor. Then your knee, chest and chin down and breathe in and Bhujanga pose. Breathe out, raise the hips up and come to the downward facing dog. Breathe in, bring the right leg forward in between the hands. Bring the left leg as well. As you breathe in, lift both arms up and head backwards. Keep the biceps closer to the ears. Then do the same posture in another side. stay in rest position for at least 10 to 15 counts. Now second position is Ashtanga Surya Namaskara. For that, do Utkata, bend your head, inhale, up your head and exhale. Keep your palm on the floor. If you are not comfortable, then keep your palm on your knees. Then both leg back. Hold your breath slowly in push-up position and then inhale and Bhujanga position. Come to the downward facing dog. Stay here at least for 5 counts. Inhale and exhale deeply. If you are flexible, then jump forward. If you are not, then step one by one and come forward. Bend your head, exhale, then look up and Utkata pose. Inhale, Namaskar position. Do the same in second round. Third one is Virabhadrasana and Surya Namaskar variation. Do Utkatasana, then head down, head up slowly and bring back your right leg. Left leg will be in 90-degree position. Stretch your both arms in 180-degree position. If you are comfortable in this position, then try to arch back with one hand and the right hand will be on your right knee. If you are more comfortable, then try to both hand up and arch back. Bring your both arms in front and then bring your left leg back, knee, chest and chin down and come to Bhujanga position. Then come to downward facing dog position and stay here for 3 breaths. The right knee will be in 90-degree position and do the same in another side. Come to the child's pose for rest. The next asana will be Kali asana. For that, stretch your both legs and bend the knees as much as possible. If you are comfortable, then lift your heels. From here we will do little variation is Malasana. For Malasana, stretch your legs as well and sit down and push your both knees with your both arms. Stay here at least 10 to 15 counts. You will feel the stretch on your butts, your inner thigh as well as from here we will do another variation which is Prasarita Padattvasana. For that, again stretch your legs and your head will touch the floor. But remember, don't give the all pressure on your head. Give the pressure on arms and shoulder. The next and last yoga is Paschimottanasana. For that, at first bend your knees and hold your feet. Now try to slowly bend your head and try to touch your head with your knees. If you are not comfortable, then don't do it forcefully. Just bend as much as you can. Stay in this position at least for 10 to 15 counts. Now the time is for cool down. For that, gently lie down. Bend your both knees and bend it in right side, and your head will be in opposite side and your arms will be in 180-degree position. Now gently come to the center and switch side. Now grab your both knees and do Pavan Muktasana.
Now the time is for Savasana. Just relax your whole body, relax your both legs, both arms, head and every parts of your body. Now slowly move your fingers, head side to side. Feet together, arm together and a long stretch. Now take a right turn, bend the knees and stay here for a moment and gently come up and sit in a Sukhasana position. Now deeply inhale and exhale, and we will finish this session with 1 Om chants and 3 Shantis. Deeply inhale and exhale like Om. Shanti, 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 and finish the session.